I'm fine and I'm in the pink of health and I'm sure even you all are in the pink of health too. நான் நல்லா ஆரோக்கியமாக சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன். நீங்களும் எல்லாரும் நல்லா ஆரோக்கியமாக சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கீங்களா? In the last video, we saw how to change the interrogative sentences from active to passive voice. அந்த ரூல்ஸை நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா இப்போ நான் கொடுக்க போகிற இந்த ஒர்க் ஷீட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். இந்த வீடியோவில் we'll see a worksheet. Now change the following interrogative sentences from active to passive voice. Question number 1. Did you finish your work? Question number 2. Do they like fruits? 3. Will you clean my room? Number 4. What do you eat for dinner? Number 5. What did you eat for lunch? Number 6. What will you eat for supper? Number 7. Does Veena play football? Number 8. Do they play basketball? Number 9. Does Veena play cricket and basketball? Number 10. Did Veena play cricket? Number 11. Did Veena play cricket and basketball? Number 12. How do you prepare fish sauce? Number 13. How do they prepare burger and veg pulao? Number 14. How did you prepare fish sauce? Number 15. How did they prepare burger and veg pulao? Now let's discuss the answers. See the first question. Did you finish your work? So question did la start ஆகிறதால you should immediately think about was or where. So what will be the answer? Object வந்து your work and this is in singular. So we have to use was. Was your work finished by you? That is the answer. Second one, do they like fruits? இப்போ do வந்ததால immediately you should think about using is or are. And see the object fruits, அது வந்து plural இல்லையா? So are the fruits liked by them? I hope you have understood this. Next, will you clean my room? இது வந்து future tenseல இருக்கு. So will my room be cleaned by you? Next, what do you eat for dinner? இங்க question whatல start ஆயிருக்கு, but see the verb do is there. So dinner is singular. So what will be the answer? What is eaten for dinner by you? Next one, நான் questions கொஞ்சம் ரிலேட்டடாகவே கொடுத்துருப்பேன், ஏன்னா அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஆன்சர்ஸ் தெரியும், டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் தெரியும்ன்ட்டு. இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்கள். வாட் டிட் யூ ஈட் ஃபார் லன்ச்? இங்கே வந்து டிட் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதால யூ ஷுட் யூஸ் வாஸ் ஆர் வேர் அண்ட் லன்ச் இஸ் சிங்குலர். ஸோ வாட் வாஸ் ஈட்டன் பை யூ ஃபார் லன்ச்? நெக்ஸ்ட், வாட் வில் யூ ஈட் ஃபார் சப்பர்? வாட் வில் பி ஈட்டன் by you for supper? இப்போ அடுத்தது பாருங்கள். question வந்து does Veena play football? இப்போ does வரதால you have to use whether is or are, and football is the object and it is singular. So what will you use? Is football played by Veena? Next, do they play basketball? Here once again do, but we have to think about using is or are once again because it is present tense. Do does வந்தாலே present tense ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். But see the object once again it is singular, that is basketball. So do they play basketball? For this also we have to use is. Is basketball played by them? I hope you have understood this. Next question. Does Veena play cricket and basketball? Here the object is plural. So what will you use? Are cricket and basketball played by Veena? Hope you have understood where to use is and where to use are. Okay, next we'll move on to the past tense form. That is, did Veena play cricket? Did is past tense. So think about using was or were. Cricket is singular. So was cricket played by Veena? Next one, did Veena play cricket and basketball? Here, cricket and basketball, they are plural, isn't it? So we have to use where. Where cricket and basketball played by Veena? Now I'm sure you have understood where to use was and where. So does and do vanda immediately you think about using is or are, and did vanda was or were. Now moving on to next question. How do you prepare fish sauce? Do vandirukku. So what will you do? How is fish sauce prepared by you? Next question. How do they prepare burger and veg pulao? How are burger and veg pulao prepared by them? இப்போ எந்த இடத்துல ஈஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன், எந்த இடத்துல ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறேன்னு தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் வில் மூவ் ஆன் டு how did you prepare fish sauce? How was fish sauce prepared by you? Next, how did they prepare burger and veg pulao? How were burger and veg pulao prepared by them? Actually, I discussed each and every question to make sure that you have understood. உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியணுன்றதுக்காகவே ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர் நான் தனியாக டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் go through the rules and then try this worksheets. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. And one request, please subscribe